very sophisticated and successful in lots of ways. So I think it's wrong to call it a failed state.
To have a state is important because now anybody can come to the country, whatever name they come, whether they are coming for Operation Restore Hope, whether they are coming for Amazon Africans looking for the peace, and whichever name they come in. The good thing about the state is state controls the security of the country. But the good thing about being a Somali is that despite all that, they have exhibited remarkable resilience and work and dynamics.
The civil war caused widespread famine. The UN sent humanitarian aid, but both the famine and the civil war dragged on. Somalia was unable to prevent foreign forces entering the conflict.
Imagine 7,000 tons of food aid